We are now on day 14 of our 365 days of our Abundant Life series. Psalm chapter 7 verse 4. Take delight in the Lord and He will give you your heart's desires. Today's topic title, God says, I intend to give you your heart's desires. I know that when it comes to loving me, you have always been more comfortable with the language of obedience and duty. But I'm not willing to settle for a passionless relationship with you. I want your heart. Not because I am needy, but because I know you are needy. Your deep need is not necessarily for more discipline, but for more desire for me, more delight in me. I want you to take delight in me like you savor a fine meal, like you linger in the presence of a good friend, like you celebrate the accomplishments of your child, like you look forward to a restful day of vacation. Bring me your appetites and feed on me. Dive into life with me, allowing me to envelop all of who you are. Celebrate me, listen to me, hold nothing back from me. When you do, you will find your yearning satisfied, your desires fulfilled. When God said na He will give us our heart's desires, that doesn't mean na lahat na lang ng hihilingin natin like, Lord, gusto ko ganito ang mangyari sa buhay ko. Lord, gusto ko ganito sana, ganyan. That doesn't mean that it will be handed to us easily just like that. No, hindi siya ganyan eh. First, we have to understand that when we become a believer, it also means allowing God to transform us. So that means He becomes our highest priority. And, as we come to know Him more and obey Him, He is also slowly transforming us. So our desires and even our values will also change. So it will reflect God values na. So heart desires would mean what He grants to us are those what He really intended for us. Kasi baka ma-misinterpret ba dahil kahit ako, I also have that understanding din na heart's desires So meaning kung ano yung gusto kong mangyari sa buhay ko, i-pray ko lang sa Kanya, mangyayari talaga. Hindi pala. It is about di ba may line nga dito na dive into life with me, allowing me to envelop all of who you are. We have to surrender everything, lahat sa Kanya He becomes our highest priority. So meaning, yung mga selfish desires natin, mababago din, no? So it is not about getting anything what we want, na parang tayo na lang yung masusunod. It's about more on how God is shaping us, how He wants to shape our heart, and what He wants for us that would lead us to real fulfillment, contentment, and joy. Dahil tayo kasi kung minsan akala natin, this is what's good for me, ito ang gusto ko. But no, He really knows. He's the master plan. He knows us more than we know ourselves, kumbaga. So He really knows what's best for us. Sometimes we pray for something na maybe hindi niya lang muna ibinibigay because He thinks that you're not yet ready. So sometimes we go into another path, not because He doesn't want that for you na gusto mo sana, but because He is still preparing you to be ready na maging ready ka when the right time comes na mangyari yung hinihiling mo, ganyan. So, yan yung pagkaintindi ko.